My husband used to be very healthy. His body was big. When his prostate problem set in, his body suddenly dropped. I brought him to the hospital and we learned that there is an infection in the prostate gland.
It started with pain at the back, pain in the belly. The attack was so sudden.
We stayed in the hospital for 3 days. At first, pus was coming out of the urinary catheter, then later it was followed with blood. We were told by the doctors to transfer to another hospital for blood transfusion because if not, he might not be able to make it today. I was so scared, so I prayed and I also texted the other pastors to help us in prayer. We could not continue with the procedures recommended by the doctors because of financial constraints. One Sunday night, a pastor friend was the preacher in the church, and he prayed for my husband. After the prayer, he introduced Quantumin to us. He told us to try it because it really works.
This patient with prostate problem is a pastor and his fellow pastors shared the product to him. He was almost bedridden and they have tried a lot of medications already. They also tried another brand of mineral drops but felt that it made his condition even worse. So when his friend visited him and made him take Quantumin with water and applied it all over his body, after a few minutes he felt stronger and was able to stand and walk. He was also observed an improvement in urination. There was no more disruption nor difficulty in the flow of urine. This was a relief.
From the time we started using Quantumin, there was a big improvement in a matter of about 2 days only. Before, he could not even make a single step, but now he can already walk slowly. The pain in the prostate gland also disappeared. This is only in a matter of about 2 days.
For prostate problems, it is best that the patient takes the product orally so that the substances in Quantumin can pass through the urinary tract as well as the prostate gland. You can also apply Quantumin Plus at the area under the scrotum so that the energy will be transmitted to the cells of the prostate gland to activate these cells to function normally at the same time overcoming the abnormal cells.